What's up, guys? I'm back here with more War Thunder, and, well, I tried uploading to YouTube the end of part 3, so I actually got tier 3, and this happens. Now I actually have the M4A1, so, all that work. Well, it wasn't really that much, but it's fine with me. So we're just gonna start researching the M4A1, and my game's lagging pretty hard here. Okay, it's better now, I think. Whatever. Let's do this. So I want to get into a battle. Be right back. Alright, we're back, and this is actually a newer. I think this is I didn't actually play on this map yet. This is a brand new map. Alright. Well, here we go. So it is, looks like domination. So, alright. I'm recording this right after I got home from school. So, I'm like, school. So, alright, we're gonna go out in the Stewart like usual. And I actually do now have armor piercing composite rigged. And I only have 3 respawns in this map, so I'll definitely make sure to use my M3 Lee. And I'm actually lagging quite bad. I don't know what it could be. Oh, that's probably what it is. I am uploading our video. So let me yeah, I think we're gonna just get this battle. Alrighty, I'm back. Sorry, it was just really laggy. I think I might have fixed it here. So I think the problem was that I was also uploading a video the time I was recording this. So, and also last time I did really bad. I'll show you. In that game, it was bad. I got last on my team by like a lot. Yeah. I got like last on my team by a lot. It was bad. So we're hopping in our battle. It's still loading. This is weird. Should I heck this? Oh, excuse me there. Just had to yawn. Oh, come on. It's taking a long time to load. Yeah, I say that and it's gonna load in like 5 seconds, so. Really? Still not? Oh, there we go. And Eastern Europe, this is a great map. Hopefully it's not limited respawns, because I hate when that does happen. I mean, oh, there's a limited number. That's fine, because, well, it's just fine. And I'm cool with that. I think we're going to take out the M3A1 Stewart, that is, and do a little loop around into their spawn. And I want to see what happens when I do that. I want to see, like, the amount that I get. It'll take me longer than everyone else, but I'll probably get like 0 points the whole time. Hopefully. This is one of my favorite games, though. I just like War Thunder in general. Yeah. Sims 3 is good too, in my opinion. This is very time consuming. I have this another game, War Game Red Dragon. I don't know if any of you have ever heard of it, but it's a cool game. And alright, it's probably just loading. Alright, not even any sound either. Come on. This is weird. This is really bad. I don't know why. War Thunder's gonna be like this. It's gotta be like this, you know? Okay. Oh my. So a lot of other people had the same problem as me. And this is really bad. This is just gonna be a really short video. Alright. This isn't good. It looks like this battle, I must have joined it like in-game or something, because also, I don't know what's up with this lag. I'm getting like 3 FPS if you look at the top of the screen. I don't know if you can see it. Holy crap, this is ridiculous. My gosh. Why? What the heck? Alright, well, screw this crap. I'm sorry. This is not gonna work out.